You need to select a place near the electric box, then place the reference paper on the wall with stickers on its 4 corners. You need to drill 8 holes in total with an electric drill. Hammer the bolts into the wall. There are 2 kinds of bolts. Please do not mix them up. Take them out and hammer them into the holes. Remember to take down the reference paper to install the back plate with screws. It is time to place the wall box onto the back plate. Pair the wall box and the back plate firstly. Take out 4 long screws and use a small wrench to fix the socket. At last, you need to assemble the housing with the socket tightly. Connect the wire to the electric box. You need to get an electric engineer to connect each wire correctly. Before you do that, make sure you have turned off the power grid. Just enjoying the charging and charge your EV in a better way.